Hey everybody, how you doing? I know you probably can't see my face that well, but what I'm going to do is I just got my product from LiveGood, and we're going to do a quick unboxing video. We'll start with a small box first. I already popped the tape to avoid that extra time. So first thing we're going to pull out is the Lean. That's our new product for weight loss and body composition. You take 2 capsules 30 minutes before eating. I think you take it twice a day. So I'll put that here. Then I got me some more coffee because I'm almost out. This is a good dietary supplement. It's great in the morning to extend your fast so that you can stop taking in all those calories in the morning. Most people, they fill up on carbohydrates in the morning, and you really shouldn't be doing that. You really should just extend the fast, drink some coffee, and get to our next thing, which is there we go, protein. The Whey Isolate Protein. Scooch over, guys. Now that's a good first meal right there. The Whey Isolate Protein. Mix it with water. Mix it with milk. Mix it with what I like to mix it with is the naked fruit smoothies. You mix it with the strawberries and bananas. You can mix it with the berries and any of those berry type of concoctions. I wouldn't mix it with the greens or the mango, because chocolate might not go very well with the mango. And then, to make it all work, I got the shaker bottle. See what this looks like. This is the actual LiveGood shaker bottle. See, it says LiveGood? Woohoo! LiveGood. And that's the shaker part. Guess this is the extension on the bottom. Got 2 holes there, so that's pretty cool. Guess it goes like that. Pull it upside down and shake it. Not sure what that is for. So we'll put that in one of these little holes here. Put everything together. Maybe you can put your supplements in there. So when you take the supplements on a daily basis. And there is the shaker bottle. Those are the products I got. And I also got some swag. I got myself polo. Now that looks like a nice polo. The material feels really good. Got the polo. This is for me. And I got my son t-shirt. And LiveGood t-shirt. The One Vision. Way cool. This should fit him just fine. We'll be sporting that when we go work out again. So I'm starting my weight loss journey. I'm not extremely overweight. I'm 185 pounds soaking wet. But I do have like a 36-inch waist. And I'm used to having a 30-inch waist through most of my life. But when I started driving a truck, well, sitting all the time and eating all this nasty truck stop food, which is high in carbohydrates and starches, that all adds to it, gives you that beer belly. So that's where we're at right now. Remember, we got the protein, that's brand new. We got the Lean 8, got that, coffee, and the shaker bottle. Now I also have, I'm a product of the product, I also have greens. I have the other protein already. This is the coffee I'm replacing. I also have the creatine. Just so you know, I'm a product of the product. I have super reds. That's good stuff there. If you got high blood pressure, you need to be on the reds. Got the aminos, all for working out. Also have the CBD pain relief. Let me get these here. A little box of tricks. I got the multivitamin. I got the magnesium complex. I got the D3K2. I got the factor 4. Hope I'm getting all this stuff in view. And I've got the methylene blue. So yeah, I'm a product of the product. I believe in the product. I use the product. I promote the product. You should too. Become a member. The link will be down below. Or get back with the person that shared this video with you. So we can all be on the path to health and wealth. With that, I'm saying goodbye.
Did you like what you saw? Hit the link in the comment section below and take the free tour today.